In today's video, we are going to explore accidental inventions that changed the world. These are inventions that were stumbled upon by chance or as a result of mistake, but ended up changing the course of history. So let's dive in and discover some of the most fascinating and unexpected inventions that have had a lasting impact on our world. Welcome to our channel, InfoGrabber. Cornflakes. In 1894, John Harvey Kellogg and his brother Will Keith Kellogg were experimenting with different ways to cook and prepare wheat. One day, they accidentally left some boiled wheat sitting out overnight, and the next morning, they discovered it had become stale. They rolled it out and toasted it, and thus, cornflakes were born. Chocolate chip cookies. In 1930, Ruth Wakefield, owner of the Toll House Inn, was making chocolate cookies but was out of baker's chocolate. She substituted broken pieces of Nestle chocolate and hoped that they would melt and disperse throughout the dough. Instead, they held their shape and the chocolate chip cookies were created. Safety glass. In 1903, a French chemist named Edward Benedictus accidentally knocked over a flask of nitrocellulose and discovered that it didn't shatter. This led to the development of safety glass, which is now used in car windows, windshields, and many other applications. Slinky. In 1943, Richard James was working on a new spring for a ship's equipment when he accidentally knocked it off a shelf. To his surprise, the spring kept bouncing back and forth on the floor, and thus the Slinky was born. Popsicles. In 1905, an 11-year-old boy named Frank Epperson left a mixture of soda and water outside on a cold night with a stir stick in it. The mixture froze, and the next morning he discovered a frozen treat that would later become known as the popsicle. Saccharine. In 1878, Constantine Fellberg, a chemist at Johns Hopkins University, was working on a coal tar derivative when he accidentally spilled some on his hand. Later, when he ate dinner, he noticed that the bread tasted incredibly sweet. This led to the development of saccharine, a popular sugar substitute. Superglue. In 1942, Harry Coover was working on a new plastic for gun sights when he accidentally discovered a super strong adhesive. It wasn't until years later that he realized the potential of his invention, which is known as superglue. Teflon coated cookware. It was invented in 1954 when a DuPont chemist named Roy Plunkett discovered a slippery substance in a refrigeration system. This led to the development of Teflon, which is now used in non-stick cookware and many other applications. Vulcanized rubber. In the early 1800s, Charles Goodyear was experimenting with rubber when he accidentally spilled a mixture of rubber and sulfur on a hot stove. To his surprise, the mixture didn't melt, but instead became harder and more durable. This led to the development of vulcanized rubber, which is now used in a wide range of products. Ivory soap. In 1878, a soap maker named Harley Procter accidentally left the mixture running too long and the soap mixture expanded. Creating a lighter and fluffier soap, this led to the creation of ivory soap, which became a household name. Scotch tape. In 1925, 3M engineer Richard Drew was working on a new type of adhesive when he accidentally created a tape that was too weak to hold two objects together. However, he realized that the tape could be useful for masking off areas during painting, and thus Scotch tape was born. Silly putty. In 1943, James Wright, a researcher at General Electric, was attempting to create a new type of synthetic rubber when he stumbled upon a gooey substance that could bounce and stretch like rubber, but could also be molded like clay. This invention eventually became known as silly putty. Post-it notes. In 1968, 3M scientist Spencer Silver was working on a new type of adhesive when he accidentally created a weak adhesive that was perfectly for sticking and re-sticking notes. It wasn't until years later that his colleague Art Fry realized the potential of his invention and post-it notes were born. Inkjet printers. In 1977, a Canon engineer named Lichero Endo accidentally discovered that heat could be used to eject droplets of ink from a printer nozzle. This discovery led to the development of inkjet printers, which are now used in homes and offices around the world. Microwave oven. In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer at Raytheon, was working on a radar system when he noticed that a candy bar in his pocket had melted. He realized that the microwaves from the radar has caused the candy to heat up, and thus microwave oven was born. Viagra. In the 1990s, scientists at Pfizer were developing a drug to treat heart disease. When they stumbled upon an unexpected side effect, it improved erectile dysfunction in male patients. This discovery led to the development of Viagra, a blockbuster drug that has helped millions of men around the world. X-ray. In 1895, German physicist Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen was experimenting with cathode rays when he noticed that a nearby screen started to glow even though it wasn't directly exposed to the rays. He realized that a new type of radiation was being emitted, and thus X-ray were discovered. Brandy. Legend has it that brandy was discovered and a Dutch ship was caught in a storm and the barrels of wine were tossed around. When the ship arrived at its destination, the wine had been transformed into a new, more potent beverage. Potato chips. In 1853, George Crumb, a chef at resort in Saratoga Springs, New York, when a customer kept sending back his fried potatoes for being too thick. In a fit of frustration, Crumb sliced the potatoes paper thin and fried them to a crisp. The customer loved them and potato chips were born. Champagne. In the early 1700s, winemakers in the Champagne region of France noticed that some of their wine bottles were exploding due to a secondary fermentation that occurred during the winter. They eventually learned to control this fermentation process, and thus champagne was born. Play-Doh. In the 1930s, a school teacher named Kay Zufall was looking for a cheap and easy-to-use modeling clay for her students. She stumbled upon a soft playable substance made from flour, water, and salt, and thus Play-Doh was born. Velcro. In 1941, Swiss engineer George de Mestral was walking in the woods when he noticed birds sticking to his pants and his dog's fur. He realized that the birds had tiny hooks that allowed them to stick to fabric, and thus he invented Velcro, a fastener with tiny hooks and loops. Coca-Cola. In 1886, Atlanta pharmacist John Pemberton was trying to create a new tonic that could cure headaches and calm nerves. He mixed together coca leaves and cola nuts and created a syrup that he mixed with carbonated water. The result was Coca-Cola, one of the most popular soft drinks in the world. Penicillin. In 1928, Scottish biologist Alexander Fleming was working on a project to study bacteria when he noticed that a mole had contaminated one of his petri dishes. He discovered that the mole was killing the bacteria around it, and thus penicillin was discovered, a revolutionary drug that has saved countless lives. And there you have it. These accidental inventions have changed the world in ways we never could have imagined. From the cornflakes to popsicles, these inventions have had a profound impact on our lives and continue to shape our world today. But these are just a few examples of the power of the unexpected. Who knows what other accidental discoveries are waiting to be made? So next time you stumble upon an unexpected result, don't be so quick to dismiss it. It could be the start of something amazing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating content. See you in the next video. Take care.